Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video, it's going to be a template preview, and that is for this Welch's red grape juice. This is the sparkling. I just want to show you guys what the template looks like. And I did create it for this little top thing as well. I just printed out some regular printing paper and then I laminated it. And I just have it up here with some tape right now, but you guys can run it through your sticker machine. So this is what it looks like. And what is the size of it? Let me see. This is the 750 milliliter bottle. Now the measurements and everything for this is going to be on my Patreon page. I don't think I want to put the template for this up there. Now on this one that I printed out, you guys, this little what is that little circle right there? It is crooked, but on the actual template video, I will tell you guys how to fix that. But you guys, this is super cute to have at weddings, baby showers, all types of events. You can customize this to go with any theme at all. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.